Hi, Tony back with day 21. It is Wednesday, the 21st of December, and my tip today is all around your Wi Fi. So, I go into businesses fairly regularly, and if they've got office space, their Wi Fi will be called something. I've also got people with home offices, or they've put offices into their homes, and their Wi-Fi is still called Sky X12345 or BT Hub 12345, something like that, something generic. And their password is the default one they get on the back of the router. I would always recommend, especially if you're using Wi-Fi and you're doing it from a business, that you change the defaults. Why? Why not? If people are looking for Wi-Fi around you, they might not know they're looking for your company, but if your company name comes up as, you know, Bob's Painting Wi-Fi, oh, I'm looking for a painter. Again, front of mind. It's another way to almost market your business, especially if you're in quite a built-up area and you're dealing with consumers a lot. For me, is it going to make much difference whether my Wi-Fi is called my company? Probably not, because of where I am. But like I said, if you're in a built-up area, if you're on the high street or something like that, and you're offering Wi-Fi out to customers, or your Wi-Fi is openly visible, it's another way of marketing your business that costs nothing. So log into the admin center of your Wi-Fi, update the name of your network, and also change that default password. That's my tip for today. See you tomorrow for the next one.